Having your carpet professionally cleaned by Stanley Steemer is a great way to keep your carpet looking its best. Having your freshly cleaned carpet deodorized is a great way to keep your carpet smelling its best. Carpet acts like a filter, trapping organic matter, which can leave a bad smell. Cleaning your carpet removes the odor-causing materials, but depending on the amount and type of trapped material, it may not always remove everything. Odor from pets or cooking, for example, get trapped deep inside the carpet fibers. That's why we recommend an application of Odor Out Plus after each carpet cleaning. It's applied over the freshly cleaned carpet. Unlike other deodorizers, ours doesn't mask the odor with another odor. It actually encapsulates the odor-causing material and breaks it down, thus eliminating it, leaving your carpet fresh, clean, and best of all, odor-free. To schedule your next carpet cleaning, call 1-800-STEAMER